Let's work a problem now. We have a particle of mass 0.50 kilogram moving under the influence of a potential energy that is represented by 3x cubed plus 5x squared. First, find the expression for the force that acts on the particle. What is the force on the particle at x equals 2 meters? And then what is the acceleration of the particle at 2 meters? Now once you have something like this where you're not really looking at units, you're just doing pure algebra, don't worry about it. We'll assume that if we do all the math right, that the answers will be in the correct SI units, and we're going to use this expression. To find the force, we're going to use this equation right here, and we're just going to spin it around, so f of x equals minus du dx. We put in our expression for the potential energy, take the derivative, and we get our force is minus 9x squared plus 10x. Make sure you watch your signs, right? So this negative will go here, and this negative will cancel out the negative, and you'll get a positive. So be careful of your signs when you do this kind of work. What is the force on the particle at x equals 2 meters? We now have our force, and we just plug in the 2 for wherever you see an x, and you get, when you solve the equation, minus 16, and since you know it's a force, go ahead and add the newtons, so your force is minus 16 newtons. What is the acceleration of this particle at 2 meters? Well, we found the force already, that's 16 newtons, so force is ma, a is force over m, right? You just put the numbers in, and you find you have a negative 32 meters per second squared acceleration.